Everyone, in this lesson we'll be covering the Hackerrank easy algorithm cats and a mouse. And as usual, let's dive right into the problem and see what it's asking for and see what we're provided. So in this case, we are provided three different variables, x, y, and z. X represents the position of cat A, y represents the position of cat B, and z represents the position of a mouse. So essentially, this question is asking which cat is closer to the mouse. Return that cat. I think it actually, what's it want? It wants us to return a string that says either cat A, cat B, or mouse C. So if one cat is closer to the mouse than the other cat, then we will return that cat. But if both cats are the same distance from mouse C, then we will return mouse C. Essentially, this says the mouse got away, so we'll return mouse C. So super simple question. We'll pop over to Replit and get to work. So what are we really comparing here? We're just comparing two very simple values, the distance between x and z, as well as the distance between y and z. So let's create variables that indicate our distance. And one important thing to keep in mind is that we should use the absolute value here. So you could do x minus z, but you don't know if x is going to be greater than z or less than z. So if you just take the absolute value of that, you'll always get the raw distance between the two. And then, of course, for y distance, y dist, we'll go ahead and do the same thing. But we will do y minus z. So that'll give you your two distances. And what do we want to do? There are three different things that we can return. We can return cat A, we can return cat B, or we can return mouse C. Based on specific conditions. So let's first say, what are we comparing? If x is less than y, that means cat A will get there first. If there's a smaller distance between cat A and the mouse, that means that cat will arrive first. So if x dist is less than y, one second, can't type. Y dist, we will, and remember, in Python, we can actually return multiple times as long as we're in conditional statements. So we can just type the string right in here, cat A. Okay, what's our next scenario? If y dist, if y is closer to the mouse than x, we will return the string cat B. And then our last scenario, of course, is if x dist equals y dist, if the two cats are the same distance away from the mouse, we will return mouse C. Let's spell mouse correctly. And that's it. That's really the whole question. Let's copy and paste this over into Hackerrank. Get it formatted. Really wish this was quicker. Apologies. And that should do it. So let's run the code. Great, passed our sample test. Now let's run the code against all the test cases. All two test cases, it seems. And there you go. Passes all cases. Very simple code. I hope you're following. If you have any questions, feel free to pop them in the comments below. If you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button. And of course, as always, subscribe. We'll be posting these videos frequently. Thanks for watching.